this is your living area. So here's your living area. This is your spacious kitchen area. You can have a look at, start with the flooring, the wooden flooring right here. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Suraksha Courtyard, which is located in Gotigere, Bannerghatta, Bangalore, a project developed by Suraksha. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now we are here on the actual land parcel and this is the marketing office of the project. And now about the land parcel is just behind me over here where the construction work, the excavation work for now is in progress. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with this beautiful miniature. So the project will be constructed on total 4.5 acres of land parcel, consisting of 3 towers in all, with each tower rising up to 19 floors, that is with 2 basement ground and then 19 floors, which comes up with 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities let me show you through this miniature again. Here's the Club Elan, that is the clubhouse, the grand clubhouse, which comes with all the indoor games. Other amenities like of kids play area, garden area, skating ring. Here's the basketball court, multi-purpose court, cricket pitch, and many more amenities. Now coming to the location part, and the project is located on Shankar Nag Road in Gotigere, Bannerghatta, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So this is the Shankar Nag Road and this side you can connect towards Kotnur. And the opposite side road will connect you towards Bannerghatta main road in just few meters. Now coming to the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Bannerghatta Road in 500 meters. Nice Ring Road is 1.5 kilometers away.
Gotigere Metro Station is 3 minutes away.
Hulimau Metro Station is 10 minutes away. Bannerghatta National Park is just 8 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now let's have a look at your 3 BHK model flat at Courtyard of 1760 square feet super built up area. So here we start from the main entrance of the house. So they are providing the main entrance which comes with the digital door lock for your security purpose. And these are the 8-feet doors. Additionally, they are providing with a foyer area for your privacy. And now once you enter, this is your living area. So here's your living area where you can do your own interior with a TV unit, your own set of sofa. And now exactly opposite to it is your dining area. So here's your huge dining space where you can add up your 6 to 8 seater of dining table horizontally. And with the easy access right here is your kitchen area. But before moving towards your kitchen area, let me show you the connecting balcony. And here they are providing with the connecting balcony. Once you move inside the balcony, here you can have a look at the balcony, which is much more spacious, which is 3-side covered with anti-skid flooring, the iron railing as well. And this balcony connects you to one of the bedroom, which we'll be checking later on. And now let's move further towards your kitchen space. So as shown you opposite to your dining area with the easy access, they have provided with the kitchen area, and this is your spacious kitchen area. You can have a look at the kitchen, the interior work which is done for your reference with the U-shape platforms, the cabinets, refrigerator is set over here and which has its own utility area as well. Here's your utility area with anti-skid flooring. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose as well, with the provision for machines. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So your bedroom number 1 is exactly beside over here. Once you move in, here you can have a look. Here they have provided one niche area where you can add up your mirror set, your dressing area as well. And this side is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. With the easy access to your common washroom, here comes the bedroom number 1, the huge space with a huge bed space over here. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. The wardrobe is placed right here. You can have a look at the bedroom. Again, the doors for each and every bedroom are 8 feet. Now moving further towards your bedroom number 2. Here's your bedroom number 2, but before that let me show you again this niche area. You can utilize the space as a storage, add up your own decor, or even as a devghar. Now about your bedroom number 2. So once you enter this bedroom, you can have a look again at this bedroom, which has a huge bed space, the ample of space to move around, and the plus point, it has the connecting balcony as well. And this is the same balcony which connects you to your dining area. Opposite to it, here's the wardrobe set over here and the washroom. The attached washroom to this bedroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. Now we'll be moving further to your master bedroom, but before that, now let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with its sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So you have to walk through your living area, and this side is the master bedroom. So the uniqueness starts with the flooring, the wooden flooring right here with a huge bed space. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and this is much more cozy room over here. There is a huge space where you can add up your wardrobe as well. And the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Let me show you one more space. Here also you can add up your wardrobe. Now we all know we are here at Guttigere in Bangalore. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.